Are you still managing all your properties, leases, and maintenance queries alone and manually? No wonder you are always exhausted and think, property management is not for me. Breaking news: the problem isn't you, it's the way you're working. When everything from reminders to paperwork to basic tenant updates sits on your plate, you're basically set up to burn out. What you need is to bring AI into your property management process. It replies to routine questions, sends automatic reminders, and organizes your leases based on your system so your day isn't wasted in busy work. How to get started? This video will show you 5 of the best AI property management software tools you can begin using today. First, let's talk about ClickUp. It is the world's first converged AI workspace where your entire real estate business can run out of one single tool. How? The magic happens inside Spaces, where entire real estate projects can be set up from scratch. Spaces break down into folders and folders into lists, where each lead, property, and task can be organized. If you work with multiple agents, they can all have their own lists to work out of. Each property or client becomes an individual ClickUp task, with its own statuses to track progress, comments to keep context in one thread, and subtasks if needed. Where does AI come in? With ClickUp Brain, the world's most contextual work AI. It becomes your on-demand property assistant. It can auto-draft responses to routine questions, generate inspection reports from notes, and create lease agreement outlines for you. It also schedules follow-up reminders and assigns tasks so nothing slips through the cracks. ClickUp's AI agents take it a step further by actually doing the work. You can create agents to monitor rent payment statuses, send automated follow-ups for overdue tasks, or even perform weekly compliance checks. They act like autonomous co-managers who keep your operations moving 24/7. Within ClickUp, you also get real estate templates like real estate spreadsheet template, real estate newsletter template, and real estate marketing template for tracking properties, sending newsletters, and planning campaigns. And on top of all that, ClickUp doubles as a simple, customizable CRM, so you can track leads, manage clients, and keep every deal moving without switching tools. Our second tool is AppFolio. This one is also multi-purpose. It lets you manage leases, maintenance requests from tenants, and internal communications easily in one place. It automates rent collection, tracks repairs fast, and gives you clear financial reports whenever you need them. The mobile app is helpful too, and their AI tools help you respond to leasing questions and handle busy work easily. It works best for bigger portfolios though, since pricing is customized. Next up is Tenant Cloud. Think of this as a simple control center for your properties. You can handle applications, leases, rent payments, and maintenance requests without switching tabs. Here, tenants and owners get their own portals, so communication stays clean. You can also track expenses and manage work orders in one place. But some advanced features are only available in higher plans, so you may need to upgrade as you grow. Moving on to our fourth pick, Turbo Tenant. You can use this app to list your rentals on all major websites at once, collect applications online, and run background checks easily. It also helps you generate state-safe leases and collect rent without any follow-ups. Tenants can raise repair requests, and you can track every item quickly. It has fewer AI tools compared to other tools on our list though, but it still remains a powerful property management tool. And finally, we have Buildium. Buildium keeps your full workflow organized. You can manage accounts, track rent, screen tenants, and handle all maintenance tasks from one simple system. Everything here is powered by AI, starting from rent pricing to screening to predicting repairs, which is useful when you manage many units. It's powerful, but the pricing may feel a bit high for small portfolios. And just like that, you're now practically an AI-powered property manager. From tenant chats to payments, these tools manage your property affairs in a way that helps you save time, cut costs, and make smarter decisions effortlessly. And if you want one platform where not just you, but also your team can manage your portfolio together, try ClickUp today. It's free to get started at ClickUp.com.